Do you want to know how you can reach out to the decision makers of every single company so that you can increase your rate of conversions? So stay tuned up and watch the video up until the end so that you can learn how you can do it. So first, I want you to go to snob.io, right? I'm going to log in here. Yeah, the moment we have that, let's say you are a drop servicing business, serving, for example, let's say, okay, massage, okay, let's say spas in Los Angeles. All right. So, okay, let's see, we have many of them. So all we're gonna have to do, first and foremost, I would need you to go to more tools, and this is the most important extension by far in Snuff.io, which is the email finder extension. So make sure you click on it, and then I already have that extension. So all you have to do is just to add it to your extensions. And of course, don't forget, whenever, if you don't see it in here, just make sure you click on the extensions, click on it, and then go to the email finder and click on the need, okay, and on the pin, just to make sure you have it. Okay, here. Okay, great. So the moment you have email finder, now let's say we're gonna go to this website. And again, as I told you in previous video, whenever you have a website, whenever you have a business that is promoting their services, it means that they have money to invest and they're not cheap. And those are the people that we wanna be working with, okay? So click on them, for example. All right, so here we have this website. All you have to do is going to be very simple. You will go to the extension of email finder. All right, you click on it. Look at this beauty. There you go. We have scrapped all of these emails. Now what you want to do is you click on full company profile. All right, so the moment you click on it, now I want you to click on it again. All right, so now that we clicked on it, you can see more information about the company. As you can see, they have between 201 and 500 employees, meaning that they have enough money, more than enough money to pay you. And you can see more information about them, as well as the keywords, etc., just in case you want to run ads in the future. But again, that's not the subject of today. Then I want you to go here, and you're going to see many emails. As you can see, we have many people. And remember what I told you. We are looking for the decision makers. Look at this, guys. Sean Bayer, he's the CEO, right? We have the founder, owner as a CFO. We are looking, let's see if they have a digital, let's see if they have a digital manager, digital marketing manager. They have not. All right. All right, that's beautiful. Remember, guys, because again, there is not a digital marketer. So that's where you're gonna come in. So guys, you're gonna reach out to the decision makers. Again, I don't have to tell you. It could be a president, a CEO, a founder, yeah, HR, yeah, there you go, marketing director. Yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot about that. So marketing director, those generally are the people that you should be reaching out to. So again, you got the point, because if you go to the website and just click on, let's say you just want to go to more, okay. let's say, let's see if they have a way to contact them. Wow, do not contact requests, email. You see, again, it tells you to contact them on this number, or it tells you email concierge team. So they don't give you, they will never, generally these people, they are people we have a lower position at the super low position of the company, so they're not going to be like the heads of the company. Basically, they might be talking to you. Sometimes they're not in the mood, they won't be talking to you, or they're just gonna tell you something very quickly so that they can they can get rid of you. So just guys, make sure when you, because when you speak to the decision makers, those have a weight on the company. They have the money and they have the power of decision. So whenever, if they like your services, if they see that you can bring them value, then they're for sure gonna they're gonna they're going to be looking to know more about what you have to offer them. Of course, you take them on a call, you can show them what you can offer them, and then you can close them. Okay, great. Now that you know this, you can apply it to each and every single industry. Aside from that, I'm just going to show you something real quick. I want to show you another one. Where is it? Okay, so yes, that's another service that Snuff.io has, which is great if, in case you're if you're specializing in a certain technology. So for example, let's say, okay, let's click on here, more tools, and then technology checker. Okay, great. So let's say you are serving, I'm saying, let's say you're serving, let's see what, okay, so let's say then real estate. No, actually, I'm just looking for, yeah, actually, normally, no, I'm sorry. Like here, you have to type the technology, right? And you can see they have a bunch of technologies in case. So for example, let's say you are serving people with, let's say, let's see, okay. So as you can see here, they have a bunch of technologies. Let's say you are serving people with fixing their WordPress websites. I don't know if they have it in here. Let me search WordPress. Yeah, press. Okay, let me first see the first one. Boom. Okay, WP Cache, click. Nope. So WordPress, okay. So yeah, let's type the technology WordPress, okay? We gonna search. There you go, they have it. Bingo. So let's say now we typed WordPress. You can see all of the industries that are, oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. You can see many industries looking for, yeah, that are running their websites on WordPress. So basically all you can do, you can export the list and you can contact them and you can talk to them, you can contact them. And then of course, like you just tell them that you've seen that they're running whatever they have on WordPress and you can help them with this and with that. But of course, if you wanna approach them, I would highly recommend that you just go and look into their website or whatever it is that you're gonna be helping them with regarding that technology, see what's going wrong, how you can improve on it, provide value, and then of course, take the call and close them. Anyway, I don't want to go into details, but I just want to show you this piece of jewel that I just found very recently, and I'm just sharing it with you because I truly believe it's going to help you tremendously to scale your drop servicing company or business. All right. So this being said, the last thing that I'm going to be showing you is this email drip campaigns. All right. Click on it. Cool. And here you click here on a drip campaign, new drip campaign. Dismiss edits. All right. So the moment, of course, you're going to have a campaign name. You can choose the one that you saved. Of course, make sure you tick this one as well, because we don't want to send any email to unverified email. So you don't want to spend our credits. Okay, click here, enable link tracking. Yes, we want to enable link tracking. That would be great as well. So first, so basically the list, you can choose whatever list. Let's say it's this, it's a list. Actually, Smile Direct is a list of dentists. It's just a sample list that so let's say I click here. All you have to do, you go to email. All right, so here you go to email. All right, I'm just gonna close this one. It's very easy. So here, and again, make sure you connect your email account and your campaign name. Give it a name. So all you're gonna do is to click here and connect it with this one, and click on the email, right? Email one. So that's the introductory email that you're gonna be sending them, the very first one. You can put whatever. I'm just gonna put it to email one. Guys, you figure it out. I'm just here to show you how you can do it. Figure out the copy later. All right, so this is the first email. All right, the moment you have that, if they don't, then you can set up a delay. Let's say we're gonna set up a delay of, let me put this here to not take that much space. Oh, what's going on? All right, so we connect again. Don't forget, always try to connect those ones. So whenever we're gonna be sending our first email, we're gonna wait for, we prefer 1 day, let's say 2 days before we send them another email, follow-up email, just in case they don't answer. All right, so we're gonna send email 2. Cool. All right, then here I'm just calling it 2. That's the second email that's gonna be sent, just in case they haven't answered. All right, then what we want to do here is, the moment we send them an email, we wanna, you can keep on going. You set up your own your own drip campaign. You know how the map works now, but I'm just giving you the various options that on how you can best use this email drip campaigns feature of Snuff.io. All right, so whenever you send the second email, we want to set a trigger. Again, when we're going to set a trigger, we want to make sure that those people have, make sure that contact opened email and clicked on the link. All right. Opened email. The moment they have opened the email, I'm going to send this. I'm going to connect it again. All right. If that person has opened the email, but hasn't clicked on the link that you included in that email, we're gonna connect it to another email. All right, so that's gonna be the third one, email 3. Then of course you're gonna resend them the link, and you're gonna book a call with them, whatever it is that you're trying to do. All right, however, if they clicked on the link, you probably got them into your funnel or to your calendar so that they can book an appointment with you, or your website. You know what it is. So here, if they if they clicked on your link, then for you, it's mission accomplished. You did all you could. Whether they converted or not, you did, you know, what you achieved your goal, which is lead them, you know, you took them, you led them to where you want them to be. So here we can call it linked click. You can call it, I'll call it bingo, meaning that they achieved, meaning that they clicked on the link. I'll just call it bingo for the sake of this video. I like bingo, so I like the name, I like the word. All right, so then that's it. Of course, then connect your email, put the campaign name, and of course, you gotta make sure, because that's a sample account. Just make sure you upgrade your account when you get here. You gotta upgrade your account so that it could work. Guys, don't start very hard on yourself. Just start with the $33. No, actually it's gonna be 39, unless you go for the annual. Actually, if it's the monthly, it's gonna be 39. If you go for the annual package, is going to be $33 a month, and you're going to have 22 months for free. Again, guys, you can just I'll leave the link down below in the video so that you can get into snuff.io and just play with it if you like it. Of course, $33, it's not that much, so you can just play with it. And if you like it, of course, you can try it out first with that $33 a month. If you like it, great, but I'm telling you, it's a great tool. If you don't like it, then of course you don't have to pay for the upcoming months. So you don't have to go for the annual package. Just go for the monthly one, pay $39, and you're gonna be able to have 1,000 credits. And as you can see here, you're gonna have 5,000 unique recipients. You can send 5,000 emails, so you're all good. And you're gonna see, you're gonna be happy with it. I'm telling you. Yeah. So guys, and again, if you have any question regarding snuff.io, the software, or regarding even drop servicing in general, you can leave a comment down below in the description, and please smash for me that subscribe button if you haven't yet, because I'm putting my sweat so that I can share with you these hidden softwares. And of course, make sure you turn on the notification bell button so that you can't miss any single video just like this one. And share, and keep crushing it, guys. Until then, see you next time, guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, if you have any question, again, make sure you leave it in the comments down below. I love you so much. It's your brother Yassine, always full of energy because of you, and have a wonderful day. Take care. I love you all. Bye-bye.